Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican vibes. Fire Reid. So I wanna big up Jashanti watching from England. Big up yourself. That's one of my loyal subscriber. Big up yourself, Jashanti. Anyway, I watch from, you know, say the England. Big up yourself. So today I will take you on to the bypass road in Santa Cruz, St Elizabeth. This is very important, guys. So you gotta watch out the video and understand. Sometimes we have a lot of rain in Santa Cruz. And if you ever planning to take this route in a lot of rain, flooding and stuff, be very careful. It is very dangerous on the bypass road, guys. So please, if you can wait until the water or the rain stop and make it run off the street, it is very safe for you guys. So tell me what you think about this area. And big up on yourself anyone who watch from yard and abroad. You can big up on yourself. The road condition, they must fix it. So this is also a good look for the bypass in Santa Cruz. Them fix half it already. So as on my journey, you will see where them fix it. Yeah man, so big up all of the farmer them. See the farmer cut some grass, cut and carry. So you know if you have a lot of animal, you can come to the Santa Cruz area and the bypass area, cut some grass with the animal. So the next right turn will take you all to the Dr. Rock area. This right turn will take you all to the Dr. Rock. So we are heading towards the Santa Cruz fire station. In case of a fire, this is the fire station road you take. This is the bypass road. So enough people when they report fire, they always call 119. So in case of a fire emergency, you can call 110. That would take you straight to the operator. From there, the operator would send you to the nearest location where you have the emergency. It's not only fire alone, because you know firefighter respond to a lot of different incidents, guys. So as you can see, the road condition here is very looking good. On your left, this is where you have the Santa Cruz fire station in St Elizabeth and the bypass road. If you make the left turn, it will take you back into the town center right at the first stoplight. So guys, keep on watching and tell me what you think about this beautiful area. You know Santa Cruz is very hot. Very hot. St Elizabeth, one of Jamaica's largest parish, is located in the southwest of the island, in the county of Cornwall. Its capital, Black River. Coming up on your left, if you make the left turn, will take you back to Market Street, right in front of the Scotiabank area. So leave some comments on me, you are going, my people. Just leave some comments in the comment section. Tell me about Santa Cruz, the bypass, what you know about Santa Cruz. If you know anything about it, can leave it in the comment section.